How to reset Instagram Explore page. First, start by opening Instagram on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Scroll down to What You See section. Then go to Content Preferences. First, go to Interested. Instagram will show the contents that you've showed interest in before. If there are any topics you no longer like, remove them from the interest to stop showing similar posts in the future. Next, go back. Then go to Sensitive Content. Here you can select how often you want to see the sensitive contents. Select Less to clean your Explore page from the unwanted post. Tap on Confirm. Now go to your Explore page. Then try refreshing it. If you see any post that you're not interested in, simply tap on it. Then tap on the three dots at the bottom right. Tap on Not Interested. Then select the reason why. Doing so will filter out the topics you're less interested in. And that's it.